Components of Splunk indexer. Next up is the indexer, and this one is a powerhouse. When data comes into Splunk, the indexer is responsible for processing it. It breaks the raw logs into events, assigns timestamps, and stores it all in index format, like how a search engine catalog web pages. The indexer is also responsible for answering search queries. So, when a search head sends a search, the indexer goes to work, scanning through its index data and returning results fast. For large environments, you can have multiple indexes to balance the load and increase performance. In many ways, the indexer is the brain that understands the data scenario. An indexer stores firewall logs and returns IP activity patterns.